Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Meta dismantles DEI programs as major shifts loom with Trump's potential return. Quantum stocks tumble following D-Wave CEO's NVIDIA rebuttal. Bitcoin continues its downward trend, slipping further from the $100,000 mark. Transmedics Group faces a drop after Scorpion Capital's short call, while Stag Industrial announces a slight dividend increase. Korea tops the list of oversold equities globally according to B of A, and social media stocks gain traction amid Supreme Court TikTok hearings. Calumet secures a $1.4 billion DOE loan for renewable energy projects in Montana, and gene editing stocks take a hit as Intelia reveals layoffs. Stay tuned after this short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Meta is ending its main diversity, equity, and inclusion programs right away, as stated in an internal memo reported by Axios. This move is one of several major changes made by the company under Mark Zuckerberg's leadership this week.
Quantum stocks dipped by Friday's close after an earlier rise. Quantum computing shares dropped 9%, Rigetti fell 11.3%, Aggregate Quantum decreased 11.3%, and D-Wave also saw declines, reflecting a challenging day for the sector on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange.
Bitcoin is expected to decrease by 3.5% this week following a significant sell-off. It temporarily reached the $100,000 mark on Monday during a general increase in risk assets, but couldn't sustain its upward momentum.
Transmedics shares fell 15% after Scorpion Capital revealed a short position on the company. The short interest in Transmedics stands at 26%. Recently, the company appointed Gerardo Hernandez as Chief Financial Officer and reported earnings per share of 12 cents, missing expectations by 19 cents.
Stag Industrial has announced a monthly dividend increase to 12.42 cents per share, up 0.7% from the previous 12.33 cents. The forward yield is now 4.59%. Payments are scheduled for February 18th and March 17th, with record dates on January 31st and February 28th, respectively.
South Korean stocks are the most oversold in the world, currently 17.7% below their 200-day moving average. Brazil and Portugal follow closely behind. The nation is experiencing unrest as President Yoon Suk Yeol deals with insurrection charges.
Social media stocks bounced back after initially dropping. The Supreme Court started talks about a potential U.S. ban on TikTok, which could happen in 10 days. This situation arises during a significant downturn in the communication services sector, impacting platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram.
Calumet Specialty Products Partners experienced an 8.1% increase in post-market trading after obtaining a $1.44 billion guaranteed loan from the U.S. Department of Energy's Loan Programs Office. The funds will be used to develop and expand its renewable fuels facility under Montana Renewables.
Shares of gene editing companies dropped on Friday after Intelia Therapeutics revealed plans to cut 27% of its workforce and stop a mid-stage clinical program targeting a rare genetic disorder. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.